Today we're gonna talk about generators. Generators are very cool devices because they can let you power your entire house or any equipment without any energy. Let's say something happens to your house, power is disconnected. If you have any medical devices or you have fridges with lots of food that can evaporate, if you have generator, you can power for a certain amount of time your entire house or any equipment. We have one here in our warehouse. This is one of the generators. Our installers, employees use this generator when we need to work in any installations where there is no electricity. You could use this one if you prefer to use gas or diesel, unless you can obviously install solar panels, but this is a good thing, alternative, and you can plug things into this one or you can connect it to the house. We do this every day. Please contact us. We'll send you an estimate, give you any information about this and help you install it and select the right product.